what are formal letters basically? Business letters, official letters, applications to the principal, complaint letters which you write to police officers, or your letters to editor or officer. These all are your formal letters, means where you have to do formality. The person is not known to you. It is some officer or some higher authority. Respectfully you have to write. Okay, sir, ma'am, then the subject. So this is your formal letter. Now coming to your informal letters. You mostly get your formal letters in your exams. Coming to your informal letters are your personal letters which you write to your family. It can be your siblings, your father, your mother, okay, or your close relatives. Or your friendly letters which you write to friends or your known people or your distant relatives. इनके साथ you are not very formal. आप formality नहीं करते हैं. You are friendly with them. So those are your informal letters. Now, very easy trick to remember your informal letter is the format that you have to write the sender's address, okay, which will be your examination hall in this case. You have to write the date, but in informal letter, you don't have to write the receiver's address. You don't have to write the subject. Salutation you will write, but यहाँ पे instead of sir or ma'am, you will write dear. If you're writing to your father, dear mother, dear brother, dear uncle, dear friend, okay, that ways. And then your body and all will be the same. In case of closing, here you, in formal letter, you write yours sincerely, and in your informal letter, you can write yours lovingly, yours affectionately, or your loving daughter, your loving son, your loving brother, sister, your loving friend, like that. And end may, in this also you have to write sign of the sender. So now what is the difference between informal and formal letter? These are business letters, applications and all. Informal letters are your friendly letters. And in the format, what is the difference? That in informal letter you have to skip the receiver's address and you have to skip the subject. This is a small trick which you can use to remember the format of the formal letter, because you people forget it many times. You can try if you want to. See, examination hall, so you have to write only na. So EDT. If somebody gets upset with you, your parent or someone, and calls you idiot, EDT, okay? And then आप क्या एक्सक्यूज देते हो कि सर या मैम सब कर रहे थे, ऐसा ही करते हो ना, तो सर सब कर रहे थे, EDT, sir sub. So this, if it helps you remember, well and good. If it doesn't, then I don't know, I tried. EDT, sir sub.